Have you ever felt like there's more to you than just your body? A force, invisible yet powerful, waiting to be awakened. In this video, we'll explore how to activate your energy field and awaken your spiritual senses step by step. Stay until the end, because the final technique might completely shift how you feel energy forever. Your energy field, also known as your aura, is the electromagnetic layer that surrounds your body. It reflects your emotions, thoughts, and spiritual state. When your energy field is vibrant and balanced, you feel aligned, grounded, intuitive, and fully alive. But when it's weak or blocked, you can feel drained, anxious, or disconnected. Think of your aura as a mirror of your inner world. To awaken your spiritual senses, you must first learn to tune into them, to feel the subtle flow of life force moving through you. Before you can activate your energy, your body and mind need harmony. Start by finding a quiet space. Take a few deep breaths, in through your nose, out through your mouth. With each breath, imagine your body softening and your mind clearing. Now, place your hands a few inches apart. Slowly move them closer together. Do you feel warmth, tingling, or a magnetic pull? That's your energy field. It's always been there. You're just learning to notice it. Let's awaken your energy step by step. Focus on your heart center. Imagine a radiant light expanding from your chest. Feel it pulse and grow with each breath. Visualize this light spreading through your entire body, your arms, legs, and up to the crown of your head. Now extend that energy outward. Picture your aura expanding, forming a luminous sphere around you, your personal field of power and protection. Stay in this state for a few minutes. Notice any sensations: warmth, tingling, peace. That's your spiritual senses awakening. Once your energy field is active, nurture it daily. Meditate with intention. Spend time in nature. Avoid negativity. It weakens your vibration. You can also charge your field by placing your hand over your heart and repeating, "I am light. I am energy. I am connected to all that is." These affirmations remind your energy field who you truly are, infinite, radiant, and powerful. You don't have to be a spiritual master to feel your energy. It's a skill, and with practice, you'll sense it more clearly every day. So, are you ready to awaken your inner light and live in full energetic alignment? If this video helped you, leave a like, share your experience in the comments, and subscribe for more spiritual awakening guides. Your energy is sacred. Protect it, strengthen it, and let it guide you to your highest self.